Whatever you want, and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
So there's 30 cows.
On a hill or a
and
field,
28.
28
We
chickens.
got 58 animals.
How many didn't?
How many didn't? What? How many didn't what? Are they all male? Yeah.
30 cows. On a hill, field, wherever you want, in a barn, and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
2. Oh, that's what he wants you to say. 2. 2 didn't chicken out.
30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
When you ate the chickens, chickened out 28 of the cows, so there were 2 left.
30 cows.
Okay. How many didn't fuck? How many didn't what?
30 cows in a field and 28 chickens.
How many didn't fuck?
How many didn't?
Didn't fuck? What he's saying is funny. It's a didn't.
How many didn't? 30 cows in a hill and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many what?
Didn't. D-I-D-N-T. They didn't. Like I didn't do it. 30 cows and 28 chickens.
I gotta go.
How many didn't?
This is a stupid question. I don't know.
Oh, ready?
I didn't
I'll
even
say it
say it.
slow. 30 cows on a field, barn, wherever you want.
Okay.
And
I see 'em. I see 'em.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
28 ATE chickens.
So how many
So
didn't?
10 of them didn't eat chickens. I heard that.